Hello guys, I'm Sony. Welcome back to my channel. So guys, today's video is not just another job update video. This one is actually important if you are serious about getting into a good product based company with a solid pay and real growth. And I'm telling you honestly, the first opportunity I'm going to talk about is something a lot of people will ignore. One is a software development role, and another one is a data scientist related role at a big company. So make sure to watch this video till the end. Let's start with the first company, that is Toddle, and they are hiring for the role of associate software engineer Frontend. This is a completely remote role and the salary is between 10 to 12 LPA, which is honestly very solid for a fresher. And yes, no experience is required. Toddle is not just another startup, it's an AI powered teaching platform used by more than 2 lakh educators across 2500 plus schools in over 100 countries. So when you work here, you are not just coding, you are actually building something that impacts classrooms globally. Now let's talk about what you will actually do in this role. Imagine a teacher using an app to plan lessons, track students, give assignments, check performance, and even generate reports using AI. Your job is to build that interface, improve how the product feels and behaves for actual users, and fix real issues that users face in production. And you will collaborate with engineers, designers, and even educators. In the first few months, you will focus on understanding the code base and getting comfortable with React. After that, you will start building features on your own, and within a year, you can actually start owning complete parts of the product, meaning you are not just a junior anymore. You are someone responsible for real modules. Now, coming to the skills, you should know JavaScript, HTML, CSS, and React. Basic Git is enough, and if you know things like Node.js, SQL, or GraphQL, that's a big plus. What matters more is your problem solving mindset and willingness to learn. Now, hiring process is also straightforward. First, you apply. If shortlisted, you will go through 2 to 3 interview rounds. There will be one assignment and then final selections. Before we move to the next opportunity, I want to announce something. I recently started selling my products on Super Profile, and honestly, I didn't expect it to be this simple. Earlier, I was juggling multiple tools, one for links, one for emails, one for selling, and it was really messy. But this just made everything super clean. You get auto DM, so whenever someone interacts with your video, you can automatically reply. Then there's your link in bio store where you can list your products, courses, everything in one place. You can also share free value, collect emails, and convert those leads later using emails and landing page. You can sell digital products, build community, and even host events or webinars, manage registrations, payments, or offer one to one coaching sessions directly. The whole workflow just connects, everything just flows without needing different platforms. And on top of that, you can connect tools like Google Sheets, Cloud, Gmail, and Analytics so your entire system runs smoothly in the background, no switching tabs, and no chaos. And honestly, there's a reason why 5 lakh plus creators are already using it. If you're a creator or even just starting and want to monetize properly, this makes things a lot easier. I have put the link in the description box. Also, check out my profile where you will get multiple resources. Now, let's move on to the second opportunity, which is from Capgemini. This role is of data scientist and it is open for freshers. There are multiple locations available that are Bangalore, Hyderabad, Chennai, and more. Now, this role is completely different from first one. You will be working on data, machine learning, and AI systems. You will take care raw data, clean it, analyze it, build models, and generate insight. So, your work will include things like understanding datasets, doing data analysis, training machine learning models, and help businesses make decisions using data. Skills required here are Python, SQL, basic machine learning concept, and understanding of some important tools like TensorFlow or PyTorch. If you have worked on projects related to AI or data science, that will help you a lot. Now, the real question is which one should you choose? If you enjoy building apps, working on UI, and want a product based career, go for the Toddle. And if you love enjoying working with data, AI, and machine learning, then Capgemini is better for you. Make sure to check out the application link in the description box. And if you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notifications so you don't miss out my next opportunity. Till then, keep learning and keep applying. Thanks for watching, guys.